for all who are doing WH job, watch this video. So recently WH job changed something on the site, in which when you are visiting the site you get this error on the screen. All right, so and you're wondering like, how am I doing it? What kind of juju I'm using? Yes, I'm using nothing. Okay, it's the grace of God. All right, so basically they changed the URL. Welcome to Sam Wealth. This video is going to talk about WA jobs, and I will just explain what happened to the old URL and probably how to access it. Alright, so let's continue. So, what happened to the WH jobs website? The old website, they changed the URLs. So I guess they don't want to be using the .com domain anymore, so they use the .vip domain. So instead of me talking all these languages that most of you here don't understand, you can use the link in the description box to get access to the WH job new website. They are changing websites, but your informations are still stored. So use the same login details if you had an account from the old WH job website, and just use it on this new website to get access to all your points. So because I know a lot of us have points there and we're thinking like WH job crashed. No, they didn't crash. They just changed URLs to I think to make them seem like real best in their category. All right, so the new URL for WH jobs is whjob.vip.com. So once you are there, you would be in this page just like the normal WH job. No new changes, just different URL. So once you're here, what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to log in with your same details. Use the same details from the old site, and if you haven't registered, you can just click on register and register. Then once you log in, you click on login and you get access to your your WH job profile. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Then you can also turn on notification bell to get notified when we upload new content like this. We have our WhatsApp group in the description box. We offer some few giveaways there, and yeah, money making updates, capital updates, and airdrop updates that are in text form. All right, we see you in the next video. Goodbye.